Do you ever struggle to get a particular die to crank through your die cutting machine? If so, stick around. I have a quick tip to share that may solve that problem and help you crank with ease. Sometimes I go to cut a particular die and I just cannot get it to go through my machine. I have to apply a little bit more force than usual, but it just doesn't want to go. Do you ever have this problem? If so, next time you have this problem, take a look and see if this is possibly the issue. Anytime you have too much loaded at the very front of your platform, it can cause issues with going into your machine. So here's a couple of ways to fix this problem. One, you can back your dies up and put them more towards the center of your platform. You can back your paper up as well. So if you back this up, that is going to make it a lot easier to get this to load into your machine and just to catch. Now here's another thing you can do, and this really helps. If you have a die such as this one that is flat along the edge, when this part tries to go through your machine, really puts a lot of extra force on it and you are having to do a lot more work to crank it through. So try this next time. What if you put it at a little bit of an angle? And this is going to help. This part will start to feed through first and it will go through much more easily. So dies such as this one with a large straight edge can be problems like this. Let's say you are cutting some tags and you have these right at that front end with that flat edges all trying to go through at the same time. This causes issues as well. So you can stagger them, you can angle them. There are a lot of different ways, but if you back it off of that front edge, maybe angle it a little bit, it should help tremendously. I've also heard this same struggle. I've heard some people talk about having issues feeding platforms through the Stampin' Up! Mini machine. So if you have this problem, try what I just shared and try it again. See if that helps you. Thanks so much for stopping in today. If you are interested in details on either of these machines, I've put together detailed videos about both of them. I have also shared a video on how to keep my cutting plates flat so I can use them hundreds and hundreds and maybe even thousands and thousands of times and they keep working perfectly. I'll put links to these videos in the video description below. If you like my quick tips, click on my channel name below, Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff with Anna Helman. You will go to my channel and scroll down. You will find an entire playlist of card making tips and tricks you can watch all day long if you like. Thanks so much for visiting. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.